Today, I'll show you how to add friends on Pinterest. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or go to Pinterest in your browser. Sign in to your Pinterest account. Once you are signed in, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type your friend's name, username, or email address if Pinterest allows searching by email. When the results appear, look for the Profiles section. Tap Profiles to see Pinterest accounts instead of pins or boards. Now find your friend's profile in the list. Tap their profile picture or name to open their Pinterest profile. Once you're on their profile, tap the Follow button. After you follow them, their pins and activity may start appearing in your Pinterest home feed, depending on your settings and what they post. This is the main way to add friends on Pinterest. Pinterest does not usually work like Facebook, where you send a friend request. Instead, you follow people, creators, and accounts you like. You can also add friends by sharing your Pinterest profile link. To do this, go to your own Pinterest profile. Tap the share icon or the three dots near your profile. Choose Copy Link or Share Profile. Then send the link to your friend through text message, WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, email, or any app you prefer. When your friend opens the link, they can tap Follow on your profile. You can ask them to send their Pinterest profile link to you as well, so you can follow them back. Another way is to connect your contacts. If Pinterest gives you that option, go to your profile, open Settings, then look for options like Permissions, Contacts, or Find Friends. If the option is available, allow Pinterest to access your contacts. Pinterest may then suggest people you know who already have Pinterest accounts. Only allow contact access if you are comfortable sharing that information with the app. You can also follow people from pins you like. When you see a pin from someone interesting, tap the creator's name, open their profile, and tap Follow. So, to keep it simple, search for your friend's name or username, open their profile, and tap Follow. You can also share your profile link so they can follow you back. And that's how you add friends on Pinterest. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.